Ever land on a website and find it frustratingly unresponsive, with missing content or broken features? That's often because JavaScript, the engine that powers these dynamic features, is disabled in your browser. Let's fix that and unlock the full potential of your web browsing experience by enabling JavaScript in Google Chrome. First, look for the 3 vertical dots located in the top right corner of your Chrome window. This is the main menu button. Click on these dots to open the Chrome menu, and then navigate down to Settings. Once you're in Settings, we need to find the site-specific permissions on the left-hand side. You'll see a list of options. Click on Privacy and Security. Within the Privacy and Security section, scroll down until you find an option called Site Settings. Click on that. Now, you'll see a list of all the permissions you can manage for websites. Scroll down again until you locate JavaScript. Clicking on JavaScript will take you to its specific settings. You should see an option that says Sites can use JavaScript. Ensure that the toggle switch next to Sites can use JavaScript is turned on. If it's off, simply click it to enable it. Once you've toggled this on, JavaScript is now enabled for all websites. Now, if you revisit that website that was giving you trouble, you should see everything working as intended, with all the dynamic content and interactive features you expect. This simple tweak dramatically improves your browsing experience, making websites more engaging and functional. And that's how you ensure JavaScript is enabled in Google Chrome for a smoother, more interactive online world. Happy browsing.